Welcome to a new SkyRoster training video. Today we'll take a look at how to build a team roster without a shift pattern or a no-rotation team roster. This type of roster can be used to schedule entire teams of employees when we are not forced to follow a fixed shift pattern. This extra flexibility brings some important advantages, like the possibility to reduce workforce costs by varying the number of employees by workload, but comes with some limitations, as well. The employees will not have a fixed, repetitive working schedule, which can lead to a hard time to adapt. Okay, so let's see how we can do a team-based roster without a shift pattern. First, we need to make sure we have a valid manpower definition already created, like this one. Then, we need to start the rostering wizard by selecting the new template. In the unit dropdown, select the root unit on which you want to make the roster. Set it as team-based with no rotation. Select the manpower definition. And the roster period. In the next step, we need to select all teams we want to include in the roster. Then configure the hard and soft constraints and we're almost done. As you are already used, on the rostering workbench, the selected teams are listed in the resources panel, while our manpower definition is displayed at the bottom of the screen. Now let's start to solve this roster. When the process is over, we can see how the working schedule is built with respect to the manpower definition and without following a fixed, repetitive pattern. This is the main difference between a rotation versus a no-rotation team roster. If we want to convert this team roster to an individual roster, then we need to convert the team manpower to individual manpower, based on the conversion rules defined in the team manpower definition. Then we have to start the solving process once again, which will allocate shifts to individual employees, based on the shift of their teams, as much as possible. Okay, so this is the team-based no-rotation roster. The simplest and most efficient way of scheduling teams. We will conclude our video here for today. Stay safe and see you soon.